Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cheap macro lens for your phone, and you can make it for as little as $2. So what you want to do is just go to your local thrift store. Go to the section where they have all these old pocket cameras. They're all 35mm except for this one. This one's a little digital guy. But these 5 are 35mm. They're all very cheap. This one was $2, $2, and this one here $3.99, and the most expensive was this little digital guy, but still that's really cheap. And the one thing about any of these cameras that you buy is that they've all got high quality lenses in them. And now you just want to take your little screwdriver set and start to dismantle the camera. You can see all the little tiny Phillips screws that there is, and just go right down until you get to the lens and remove the lens. And if you get to a point where you can't figure out how it comes apart, just take a pair of needle nose pliers and just snap the plastic. And before I forget, any of the tools I use in this video will be in the description below. Or a second method would be to use this piece of railway track to gently and precisely dismantle it. No. So these are all of the lenses that I got out of the 6 cameras. Most of them, when you take them out, they'll look just like that. They'll just be like a round lens. But some will have a plastic piece around them like that. And you'll notice that the lens is actually threaded in, and that's how they calibrate them from the factory. So you'll look closely and you'll see 2 little blobs of glue around the outside. So just take a utility knife and cut through the glue and then thread it. Now get yourself a popsicle stick and cut about 1/3 of it off. Now make sure that this is on a nice flat surface, and take some hot glue and just glue the lens to the popsicle stick. So there's 2 ways to mount it. The first one is to put it on the back of your phone and just line it up with the lens, and then just use your finger to hold it on your phone and shoot away while you hold it. The other method is to take a small elastic band, wrap it around the phone, and then just tuck it underneath the elastic band, and then you can shoot hands-free. So let me show you some photos and videos you can take with this cheap little macro lens. Well, I hope this video has helped. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.